You guys, it's that time of the year again. I got my summer Fab Fit Fun box and I'm so excited. Look how cute the box is. I love this pattern. Everything about it is so cute. And Eva Longoria is on the front page of mag. Did any of you guys watch Desperate Housewives? I've always loved her ever since then. So I have no idea what I'm getting in here because I totally forgot about it. Oh yes, I wanted this. This is a really cute towel that is in a star shape. I'm gonna try and open it up and see if we can. So it's like a mandala towel. It's really cute. You guys see that? It's shaped like a, I can't remember what it's called, but it's really cute. Thought that would come in handy for this summer. Exfoliating a foot mask. That sounds real interesting. Let's see here. My light seems a little strange. What's going on? I think we're okay. We could always use a foot mask. Let's see. Truffle therapy. Cleansing oil. I've always wanted to try cleansing oil, but I'm not sure I can use it on my skin because of my lashes. I'm afraid they'll take my lashes off, so I'm not sure about that. Oh, these are the bomb. Have you guys ever used these ones? These Invisibobbles? These are awesome. And cheap trick for you. So these get stretched out really easily. If you just put a really hot blow dryer and whatever, blow it on them, they shrink right back to their original size. You're welcome. Let's see here. Spray all day, rose spray, hydrating rose facial spray. That sounds just real lovely. Mist 4 to 5 sprays onto face with eyes closed before or after makeup. Sounds nice. Let's see here. What else do we get? Oh, I wanted to try these. Guys, so as most of you know, I turned 35, so I'm really into this anti-aging. These are rose gold brightening facial treatment masks. You better believe there's a couple posts in my future wearing one of these bad boys. You see this? These said they had a retail value of $100, but I would have probably never paid $100. I mean, we'll see how it goes. TBD. Kula makeup setting spray. I'm obsessed with makeup, so I'm always looking for new setting products, especially in the Arizona heat. I just feel like you gotta really try a bunch of stuff and see what works. So hopefully this Kula one is really good. Let's see what it comes in. Oh, nice. It's SPF 32. I feel like everything you put on your face should have SPF. Can I get an amen? Speaking of SPF on face, I really need to go to the dermatologist if anybody has a recommendation. Well, that's cute. Just a little necklace. Is that what it is? Yeah, just a little delicate layering necklace. I really like that. And then let's see. Generation Clay brightening purple clay mask. Refine, brighten, illuminate, and nurture. Sounds nice. Sounds nice. I feel like I'm missing something in here. Did I skip over something? No. I think that's it for the month. I didn't do any add-ons this month because your girl trying to save some money. But that's it. So I will follow up with you on, well, specifically, I know you're most interested about the exfoliating foot mask. So I'll be in touch shortly with how this product works on my hooves. So hope you guys have a great time. If there's any of this stuff I don't like, you can be sure that I'll be posting it for somebody else to try out.